Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create folders in Proton Drive in 2026. So if you want to organize your files properly and keep everything clean and easy to find, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and log into your Proton Drive account. Once you're inside, you'll see your main file dashboard. Next, make sure you are in your main drive area where all your files are stored. This is where you'll create your new folder. Now click the new folder or plus icon. This will open a prompt where you can create a new folder. Next, type a name for your folder. Choose something simple and clear so you can easily identify it later. Now click Create or Confirm. Your new folder will appear instantly in your Proton Drive. Next, you can drag and drop files into your folder or use the Move option to organize your files properly. Now your folder is ready. You can open it anytime to view, upload, or manage your files easily. And that's it. You've successfully created folders in Proton Drive. Now your files are properly organized and much easier to manage. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.